Well, it's Canadian Fertility Awareness Week. We welcome Dr. Christina Pistotnik from the Whole Family Health and Dr. Ariana Daniel from the Alberta Reproductive Centre. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Let's start with some really cool news, Dr. Pistotnik. You just opened a new centre.
Actually, Dr. Daniel's put up a new center. I'll be on site at her.
So let's talk about that.
Yeah, Alberta Reproductive Centre, or ARC or ARC, just opened on April 3rd. We're accepting new referrals. We're a full-service fertility clinic, meaning we do investigations, we do diagnoses, we do treatments. We offer everything from medications to inseminations to IVF. And we're really excited. We have state-of-the-art technology, and we're very patient-centered, offering whole patient care, which is something that Christina and I are both passionate about.
Well, congratulations. That's great news for sure. Dr. Pistotnik, let's start with how prevalent is infertility here in Edmonton?
Well, it's 1 in 6 Canadians that actually go through fertility challenges. But the World Health Organization also released a report earlier this month stating that it's 1 in 6 worldwide. So it is very common and it doesn't discriminate. So yeah, there's still a lot of stigma around it. So
it's something that needs to be addressed.
Exactly.
Okay, Dr. Daniel, normally we see with these sort of things, you know, stigma, shame, heavily associated with these types of situations. How does this impact the families that you see?
Yeah, for sure. I think that patients often are scared to talk about it. They feel very isolated. They feel very alone. So Canadian Fertility Awareness Week, events like this really open up that conversation and allow patients to feel comfortable, allowing them space to start talking about what they're going through, feeling like they're not alone. They're part of a community. They're part of a nation of people, the 1 in 6, that are really struggling with fertility issues.
You're not alone, hey? That's an important message to get out
you're
there.
Supported.
I love that. Okay, why is it important to take an approach, Dr. Pistotnik, you know, beyond the medical side of things?
Well, when you're looking at whole person fertility care, you're doing just that. You're addressing the mental, emotional well-being, lifestyle factors, other systems, and you know, research has shown that people respond a little bit better when you're taking care of the whole person rather than just hyper-focusing on just the parts, right? So
in a broader sense, it makes more sense.
Exactly.
Okay, let's talk about acupuncture, Dr. Daniel. How does that help with things, and how has that become, you know, popular in this realm of infertility?
Yeah, we know that people have relationships with holistic health providers in the community. We know that there's so many factors that come into play in terms of success. We're working with Whole Family Health to bring acupuncture into our community, or into our clinic on Embryo Transfer Day. And Christina, maybe you can talk about sort of what the background is, or how acupuncture really does assist in the success of patients.
So yeah, we are super excited to be on site because evidence-based protocols have shown that acupuncture can help improve IVF success rates, implantation rates, help to reduce side effects from fertility medications, because, I mean, hormones do take quite a toll on the body, right? So, so it really can help someone overall going through IVF.
That's interesting, for sure. Let's talk quickly, we have a few seconds left, about some of the events happening for Fertility Awareness Week.
Yeah, so across Canada tomorrow, there are monuments being turned green, High Level Bridge being one of them. So we have a meetup there at 7:30 under the High Level Bridge at Kinsman Park. Join us, wear green. We're really excited to share that space and open up the conversation there. And then on April 30th, on Sunday, we have an event at Park Allen. It's free, it's online or in person, and we're talking about sort of that redefinition of infertility to fertility awareness, and talking about whole patient care.
Well, I want to thank you ladies so much for joining us this morning. This has been very valuable information.
Thank you so much.